first-person view of finished engine cylinder block inspection. Let's take a look at all the procedures a cylinder block goes through to pass quality checks. Step 1. Check main oil gallery continuity. Step 2. Inspect threaded holes. Step 3. Check cast oil gallery continuity. Step 4. Wipe cylinder bores. Step 5. Visual check before bore measurement. Step 6. Measure cylinder bore diameter. Step 7. Visual check after deck face and bore measurement. Step 8. Install traveling carrier. Finished cylinder block inspection done.